Gainers WiseKey International Holding AG, Nasdaq. WKEY, rose 74.4% to $2.32 in pre-market trading. WiseKey International recently issued 2022 first-half revenue guidance for its IoT segment. Fujian Blue Hat Interactive Entertainment Technology Limited, Nasdaq. BOT, rose 64.8% to $1.24 in pre-market trading. Blue Hat Interactive terminated its previously proposed shelf takedown offering. Redhill Biopharma Limited, Nasdaq. RDHL, rose 43.4% to $1.10 in pre-market trading after jumping 13% on Wednesday. Synlogic, Inc. Nasdaq. SYBX, rose 19.5% to $1.35 in pre-market trading. Boxed, Inc. Nasdaq. BOXD, shares rose 15.1% to $2.51 in pre-market trading as jumping 35% on Wednesday. Zhongyang Financial Group Limited, Nasdaq. TOP, rose 15% to $50.88 in pre-market trading after gaining 12% on Wednesday. Next Nav Inc. Nasdaq. NN, rose 14.6% to $2.50 in pre-market trading. NextNav reported in Form 4 filing that Timothy Presutti bought 196,071 shares at AB average price of $2.79 per share. Uxin Limited, Nasdaq. UXIN, rose 13.7% to 58 cents in pre-market trading after jumping 15% on Wednesday. Co-Diagnostics, Inc. Nasdaq. CODX, shares rose 10.6% to $5.75 in pre-market trading. Co-Diagnostics, last month, announced that it has completed the principal design work of a PCR test for the monkeypox virus. SOS Limited, NYSE. SOS, rose 10.3% to $0.2427 in pre-market trading. SOS Limited recently announced an ADS ratio change from 1 ADS representing 10 ordinary shares to 1 ADS representing 500 ordinary shares. Codex DNA, Inc. Nasdaq. DNAY, rose 10.2% to $2.27 in pre-market trading. Enjoy Technology, Inc. Nasdaq. ENJY, rose 9.7% to 28 cents in pre-market trading after gaining more than 5% on Wednesday. GeoVax Labs, Inc. Nasdaq. GovX, rose 9.2% to $1.43 in pre-market trading. GeoVax Labs recently announced the appointment of John W. Sharkey, Ph.D. to serve as Vice President, Business Development. NextPlay Technologies, Inc. Nasdaq. NXTP, rose 9.1% to 29 cents in pre-market trading. NextPlay Technologies recently reported FY22 revenue of $8.2 million. Sono Group NV, Nasdaq. SEV, rose 8.8% to $3.45 in pre-market trading. Sono Motors recently posted a Q1 loss of 35 cents per share. Tough Built Industries, Inc. Nasdaq. TBLT, rose 8% to $1.49 in pre-market trading. Tough Built Industries reported the closing of $6 million public offering. Don't forget to check out our pre-market coverage here. Losers Applied Therapeutics, Inc. Nasdaq. APLT, fell 27% to $0.7811 in pre-market trading as the company reported pricing of $30 million public offering of common stock and warrants. Bit Brother Limited, Nasdaq. BTB, fell 9.7% to 29 cents in pre-market trading. VBI Vaccines Inc. Nasdaq. VBIV, fell 7.4% to 81 cents in pre-market trading. VBI Vaccines shares jumped 14% on Wednesday after the company announced the FDA-granted orphan drug designation for VBI-1901 for the treatment of glioblastoma. JX Luxventure Limited, Nasdaq. LLL, fell 7.4% to $1.61 in pre-market trading. JX Luxventure shares jumped around 17% on Wednesday after the company announced a $5 million share repurchase program and signed a $30 million sales agreement. Healthcare Triangle, Inc. Nasdaq. HCTI shares fell 7.1% to $1.05 in pre-market trading. Healthcare Triangle recently announced a $2 million buyback program.
Tabula Rasa Healthcare, Inc. Nasdaq. TRHC, fell 7.1% to $2.75 in pre-market trading. Tabula Rasa Healthcare recently agreed to sell its Prescribe Wellness business to Transaction Data Systems.